Hello, today I'll be making beet salad. So I already boiled the beets for 5 minutes in a pressure cooker. So that's all it takes in a pressure cooker. So now I'm gonna just add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, oregano, just like a teaspoon of it. I'm gonna add some olive oil, more like 2 to 3 tablespoons. So by the way, I made 4 to 5 small beets, but you can make as much as you want. I'm adding some cilantro to it. I'm gonna add like 100 grams of 100 to 150 grams of feta cheese for this. And at the end, I roasted some garlic. So I'm just gonna add the roasted garlic to this. Let's see if they'll come out the way yeah, perfect. Oh, they smell delicious. I love the smell of garlic. So now you just mix them all together. And this is like a beet salad to have with your dinner. Hello. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of balsamic vinegar, just a little bit, just like a tablespoon of it. And the salad is ready. I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit.